Happy Thursday evening, everyone. This is No Edits Crypto, episode 177, coming to you today. Two quick stories in the news. After a brief break here, back at it. I've been busy doing a couple interviews and just with my other business right now, but back into the news here and the market update, straight into the news. An effort by the United States Congress to a proposal for a crypto task force has been shot down or has been suspended. House Resolution 5036, a bill hoping to establish the Independent Financial Technology Task Force to combat terrorism and illicit financing, was referred to the House of Representatives Wednesday for consideration. The bill's seeming upgrade from one introduced by Representative Ted Budd earlier this year would launch a working group to examine cryptocurrencies and other new forms of technological advances, financial technologies, in particular looking for any potential use in crimes. However, public records indicate that the bill was passed by the House before being reconsidered. According to congressional rules, the fact that the motion to reconsider laid on the table was agreed to without objection indicates that no further action on the bill will be taken. Like an earlier form of the bill, H.R. 5036 would have brought together federal law enforcement leaders and provide them a year to study cryptocurrencies and how they may be used in funding terrorist activities. So, obviously, this is going to be on hold for a while. The daily FUD story, I guess, coming out. So this is a little bit of a positive story in the news. Bitmain has, the mining giant Bitmain has filed for an IPO. Bitmain Technologies, the world's largest maker of Bitcoin mining equipment, has filed papers to go ahead on a public stock exchange. Go public on a Hong Kong stock exchange. The listing is seen as an important test of institutional investors' interest in the crypto sector. Bitmain's prospectus investors' first official look at its financial health was filed late on Wednesday and revealed that it made a profit of $742 million for the first 6 months of this year. The bulk of the company's revenue came from selling hardware to mine cryptocurrencies, the filing said. The company said it will use the proceeds of the IPO to invest in research and development and expand its production output. Bitmain designs different microchips specialized for mining cryptocurrencies and for artificial intelligence applications, as well as manufacturing cryptocurrency AI hardware and managing crypto mining farms. The IPO comes at a time when the cryptocurrency sector is facing a number of headwinds. So that, I would say, would be the positive story in the news today, and the market looking pretty solid. We're starting to see an uptrend, and people saying that, a lot of people I'm starting to believe, I thought as the Bitcoin dominance rose like around 56, 57% again, historically that has meant that the market's starting to get healthier and that, since Bitcoin leads the way, that we're going to head back up. Not saying it's going to happen overnight, but it looks like it's starting to build momentum again. Bitcoin dominance has dropped down to 51.53%. Aggregate market cap $224,937,524,000. And Bitcoin is currently up 2.69% for the last 24 hours at 67.04 USD. Ethereum up 4.87%, $229. Bitcoin Cash was up as much as 20% earlier today at 3.56% green at $562.48. EOS up 3.39%, $5.82. Litecoin looking really solid today, up 8.03%, $63.43. Monero up 3.89%, up to $119.85. Dash up 3.13%, $194.87. Neo up 3.52%, $18.99. Ethereum Classic up 2.48%, $11.43. And Steam about to break that dollar threshold again, down 1.98% right now, but up over the last week it's gained about nearly 20 cents, so up to 98 cents. Steam about to, like I said, break the dollar threshold again. Also wanted to shout out my buddy Luis Fernando Mises with this Emancipated Human shirt. And helping my with the kratom. I want to shout him out. I got a little bit of that, and definitely helps your aches and pains. So look him up if you guys are looking for any sort of supplements. He's like a pretty well-known shaman in the anarcho-capitalist, anarchist community. Everyone have a good Thursday evening, and I will bring another episode tomorrow or Saturday.